Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to track progress with goals metrics in Asana. This feature allows you to monitor whether your team is hitting targets by setting up measurable progress tracking that updates either manually or automatically based on connected work. Let's start by navigating to the left sidebar in your Asana workspace. Look for the triangle icon labeled Plan and click on it. This section houses all your strategic planning tools, including goals, portfolios, and project views. Once you've clicked Plan, you'll see several options appear. Go ahead and click on Goals from that list. Depending on your workspace setup, you might be prompted to select a team or organization. If that happens, choose the relevant team whose goals you want to view. This ensures you're looking at the right set of objectives for your department or project group. Now you'll see a list of goals. Click on the specific goal you want to track. This opens the Goals Details page where you can see all its associated information, progress data, and connected work items. Scroll down until you reach the Progress section. Here you'll see a toggle-like icon labeled Progress Settings. Click on it to configure how you want to track this goal. This is where the real power of Asana's goal tracking comes into play. You'll now need to choose your tracking method. Asana gives you two options: manual entry or automatic tracking. Manual is useful when you're tracking metrics that need human input, like revenue numbers or customer satisfaction scores. Automatic tracking works by linking sub-goals, projects, or tasks. So Asana updates progress as work gets completed. If you choose manual, you'll see fields where you can type the current value, starting value, and target value. For example, if your goal is to reach 100 new customers and you started at 0 with 25 currently signed up, you'd enter those numbers accordingly. If you go with automatic tracking, select the sub-goals, projects, or tasks you want to connect. Asana will then calculate progress based on completion percentages of those linked items, saving you time and keeping metrics accurate without manual updates. Once you've configured everything, click Save to apply your metric and tracking method. From this point forward, you'll want to regularly revisit this goal. Click on it and update the progress numbers if you're using manual tracking, or simply review the automatic updates if you've linked work items. Finally, don't forget to update the goal's status by clicking Status. Here you can mark whether the goal is on track, at risk, off track, or achieved. This gives your team instant visibility into goal health at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.